Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have started dressing a little nicer at times, but here is a tie. I'll show you guys what this tie looks like if I can open it. That knife is just not very sharp, so better off just pulling it. And check out this one here. It's got some stripes on it and everything. Let's see, how do we open it up here? Let me take it out of its case. Wow, that feels really nice. It's a nice feeling tie. It's made out of like a cotton kind of feel to it, so it's kind of soft. I know sometimes they put little tags and stuff in there, but no, nothing in there. But if you haven't tied a tie before, I'll show you guys how this works. Let me step back a little bit. Back here, so you can see. So you tie a tie. I'm just going to go for the traditional school tie. Flip up, around, and over, and through. Like that. And this is how my tie will look. And it's got the little loop in the back here to put it through as well. So look at me. How fancy am I with a tie on and a t-shirt? But this is it. It's really a nice tie. I'm gonna go put this thing with my suit, so the next time I get dressed nice, I can use this one here. This would be a great one for just going out at night or something like that. That's not super fancy. It's not like one of those super shiny ties that are made out of silk or anything like that. This one here's a nice, soft, kind of a casual tie, if there is such a thing. So really like this one. Looks cool. I think it looks good to me. It fits my personality because it's nice and striped like that. I like it. Thumbs up.